Alright, I think we're about ready to get started here. We got a treat today. We're gonna be building my first PC. How does that sound? And I've taken the gate off of the microphone for reasons you will soon find out. So I might peek it every now and then. It's very possible. I hope I don't. I'll just try not to talk too loud and scream right into it. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's switch over to the webcam. Let's hope it's still at the right angle. Okay, it looks like it is. We're here. Hello, everybody. Welcome to okay, computer's over there. Let's just get that out of the way right now. Computer's over there, so I'm gonna be looking over there a lot to make sure everything's going smoothly. But you guys are right there. Hello. Today, we're gonna be building my first computer because, as you guys know, mine crapped out and I can't stream anymore. So we gotta fix that. And today, we're going to. I've got some instructions right here. You know, just quick little like bulletin list of what I've got to do. And I see Sensibra in chat because I recognize the green, but I will not be able to see chat for most of the stream, so forgive me. What do we got? Yeah. Got my instructions right here. Quick little bulletin list just to give me a general idea of what I'm doing to remember the steps, you know, to get my mind jogging. And I won't be able to see chat, like I said. And yeah, I'm not too sure how all this works. But, I mean, come on, so many people do this their first tries. It can't be that hard if people can do it easily. And you know what? This is embarrassing. This is where the video is going to cut. But for the sake of stream, you know what? Hold on. We'll do this so you guys don't even know. If you don't know yet, then you don't know. Hold on. Hold on. If you didn't realize then, you don't deserve to realize now. Hold on. Problems. This is what happens, okay? First scripted stream. Give me a break, okay? There's issues bound to happen, okay? Okay. Alright. My mouse is so messed up. Okay. We're back. We're back. Welcome back. Woo! We're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to do a little bit of the work outside of the case because that's what all the cool people on YouTube do. I should probably turn down the mic a little. I'm peeking too much. Hold on. We had a little time to set up beforehand. There we go. That's probably better. My mouse almost flies off my desk. We're gonna do it outside of the box like this first. I see people do this all the time, so there's got to be something to it, and we might as well start with the CPU. You know, it's the central part. That's that's the thing. But before we do that, I've got to get this real quick. Hold on. You know, it's important that safety is important around here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna be right back. Give me a second. Give me a second. Alright, so around here, I'm sure you can still hear me. You can't see me, but I'm here. We care about safety, and I know that you're supposed to get one of those wristbands to ground yourself and like strap it to metal to make sure you don't electrocute yourself, but I don't have one of those. So we're gonna do the next best thing, and we're gonna take that off. Feet on stream, don't say anything. Don't say anything, alright? We got this metal pan here that I filled with water, so to ground ourselves, we're gonna put this down here, and we're just gonna put our foot in it like that. So just in case we do get electrocuted, it'll just go straight into the water in the pan, and it'll be okay. We won't get hurt. All right, so that's in there. And this, sorry, as I'm looking at this list, it's pretty vague. So we're gonna be winging it a little. But yeah, let's go ahead and start out with the CPU. It's the brain of the computer. It's what's gonna go in first. I already have it all out of the box here. If you guys want to know what parts we're using, we got a nice. There's no way you're gonna be able to see it, so I'll just read it. Sorry. An Intel Core i7 9700K LGA 1151. It was recommended on some Reddit, so I got it. I don't. It's probably good, you know, the gamers. So we've got it out of the box, just sitting right here, and well, yeah. I guess you just, oh, God, spilling a bit of water. Sorry, hold on. Slide that over. I guess there's got to be a certain way you put it in, right? I guess we just slap it in there. And then that goes down. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then you gotta push down that arm. Okay, let's I guess we'll do that. This is kind of the scary part. I've heard that had a lot of people mess up on. Let's just get that in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's good. That's in there. There we go. CPU installed, right? Yeah, CPU installed. There we go. Next is the RAM. We've got a whole lot of Corsair? Yeah, Corsair Vengeance RAM. And we just put these in the slots, right? Yeah. Just slide it in there. And then the clips on the side, right? Is that... Yeah. What do you just shove it in there? Oh, we got a click? We got a click. There we go. That's how you do it. Okay. Line this one up with the little things. Just put them in one after another. It's no big deal. All right. Press. Ah, beautiful. It's all coming together nice, guys. Look at this. Isn't this an easy stream? Whoever in chat the other day said that you're not going to be able to build a computer in an hour. Yeah? Watch this. It's going to happen. I don't care that it's my first time. I'm more than capable. You hear me? Okay. And then we put the last one in. And there we go. All of our RAM is in. And then this is usually the part where they put it in the case, right? Maybe. No, did they put the graphics cards in? Hold on, let me take my foot out of the ground. It'll be okay. We're not gonna get electrocuted just because we're out of the ground. Let's go up here, get the Cinnamon Toast Crunch out of the way. And this is where I keep my graphics cards. You know, just the spare ones. Why not? I think they're safe up there. Just in case there's an earthquake, you never know. Oh, we're kicking the water. Oh, okay. Put the foot back in the water. Gotta ground ourselves. Come back. There we go. This is so uncomfortable. You just gotta trust that it's down there. I'm not gonna show my feet on stream, but it's in there, I promise. We got a nice EVGA card here, nice and pretty. And I think we just put this in now, right? No, it hangs off over the side. Do you not put this in yet? Maybe you don't put this in yet. Maybe you put the motherboard in the case and then you put it in. Okay, that probably makes more sense. Let me just check the list. It says right here. Yeah, okay. So let's get this in the case, and to do that, we'll set this down right here, okay? And we'll just toss that. I hope that didn't move you too much. Oh no, it didn't. All right. So foot's in the water. We're still grounded. There's a little bit of water on the carpet, but that's okay. Let's go on and get this puppy on up here. We've got the case. I don't know exactly what kind of case this is. It's Corsair, if that means anything. But yeah, like I said, it's a case. It's not that important. I'm sure it'll work fine for its needs. All right, let's get all these off to the side. Make sure everything's nice and organized. Beautiful. Okay. Now let's just set the motherboard in. Ooh, the water. Pick it up very carefully and set it in. Okay. The motherboard is in. And you know, this is embarrassing. You know how when you like put your friend's hand in water while he's sleeping and it makes him pee? I think that's what happened here because I really have to go pee. So let me get this towel real quick, dry off my foot. And I'm going to go run to the bathroom, so I'll throw up a BRB screen real quick, and I'll be right back, all right? Sorry, guys. Give me a second. All right, we are back. Let's go ahead and switch back over here. Okay. Let's pick up the instructions. Get back to where we left off. Sorry if that was a little too much of a break. Just you know, gotta clear the system. I'm out of breath. You know, it was a really hard pee. You know, it's hard. All right, let's get this back in the water. So everything we just did outside of the case was toolless, and now we get the tools involved, which is gonna be where the problems come in, I believe. Yeah, I don't really have tools on me. Like, I don't have, as weird as it sounds, I don't really have like a screwdriver. So we're just gonna use this drill to drill the stuff into place, and that shouldn't be much of a problem. So we've got the motherboard in place, screws in place. We'll just drill them in real quick. Oh, the water. Okay, we're good. All right, that's one. You don't want to do it too much, okay? You don't want to hurt the motherboard. It's two. I hate this, man. They're in the weirdest spots. Get that. That one. That one. That one. And last one. There we go. All right. There we go. The motherboard's in place. No worries. Beautiful. What's the next? Phone locked. Hold on. Gotta get the next step. My pant leg is dipping into the water. Hold on. This is phenomenally uncomfortable. Okay. What's next? Okay. As I'm looking at this, I don't think we tightened down the CPU enough. It looks a little loose in there. Let me go in there and fix that. Let me just press on it a little. There we go. That looks a lot safer. Yeah. Kind of a concerning sound, but it's definitely in place. Then next step is apply thermal paste. I don't have any thermal paste, but you know, if paste is paste, I think I have a substitute right here that we can do. I've got some peanut butter, which should work. I mean, you know, it's just paste is paste, right? I don't know what the thermal part means, but I'm sure this will work. And I'm not sure what this is for. You just put this on the CPU and then it's magically better. Okay, don't drop it on the motherboard. Okay, let's get in there and spread that on the CPU. Lather it on there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Thermal paste applied. Looks tasty, I guess. I hope you guys think the peanut butter is gonna work? I think it's fine. What's next? Water cooling. Oh, so you use water to cool it? Okay. I don't. Does it have to be water? I thought, what was the thermal paste for? Whatever. Water cooling. We can do that. I have my glass of water right here. Ice water too, so it's really cool. I think that'll work just fine. So, yeah, water cooling. Pour that right on there, and that should keep it nice and frosty. That'll be good. Just spread those ice cubes around. Make sure they're on there real nice. Yeah, okay, that should work. Now the graphics cards. We wanna get the graphics cards in here now because we have the case, so we can actually do it. So let's take out the little things on the side because you know those get in the way. You gotta put the graphics card there. I know that much. I saw Linus. What is it? Linus Computer Tips do that one. That screw's a little tight. Oh god, if only I had a like tool or something to get this out. Yeah, we'll just put it in a different slot. It's fine. All right, we've got the one. Let's slide that into place right there. And you know what comes next. Let's get this and drill it into place. All right, now a little more. There we go. Now it's nice and tight. Let's really make sure it's in there, huh? Let's make sure it's in there. Press on it a little bit. There we go. Well, that's definitely in there. What's next? All right, guys, I'm just really nervous. I don't think this is going too well. I don't see how this is gonna like work when I plug it in. But I guess I got this list off of like some Reddit user sent it to me when I like posted on a forum like, hey, help with the PC. He's like, here, follow this build guide. I'm like, okay, whatever. I trust you. Oh, next is the storage. I don't have any storage. I forgot a hard drive. Oh, shoot. Okay. Storage. Much like water cooling, I presume storage is storage. So, we gotta have something. Let's just take this, what do we got? We got a Pixel 4 XL. Nice little box. This can hold a couple gigabytes at least, right? This box? Yeah. Yeah, sure. Let's, put that in there. There we go. We got some storage now. That'll hold all of my streaming VODs. And the last thing we need is power. And I think we're good to go, right? Everything looks good in here. I mean, as good as it can look. I still feel like I'm missing a couple steps here, but it looks all right. What's next? Oh wait, no, it says there's optional steps here. Okay, let's see what those are. It says 1 cup of flour and an egg. I don't think that. No, you know what? I'm sure the egg like conducts some sort of electricity, so we'll get it in there. Might as well get that egg in there. And then a cup of flour. We gotta get a cup of flour. Hold on, gotta get the egg yolk off my hands. Sorry, guys. I guess we'll take the flour and put it in there. I don't have a measuring cup, so we'll just put what I assume to be a cup. Just get all that in there. Yeah, there we go. Is that a cup? Is that a cup? Oh, that's definitely a cup now. Oh, whoops. It's okay. We don't use that to cook or anything. Yeah, those are the optional stuff. I'm sure that added some sort of like performance or something. But yeah, now it says we just have to plug it in, turn it on, and we should be able to post. So, let's do that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up another BRB screen, forgive me, and I'll switch over to a different camera angle where we can get this puppy plugged in, huh? What do you say? Get the foot out of the water. I feel like there's so much less water in here because of my foot is absorbing it all. But that's alright. Throw up another BRB screen and we'll get this puppy plugged in and going, huh? How does that sound? I'll see you guys in a second. I almost hit end stream. That was almost embarrassing. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so we should be good to go. I did not test run this part, but well, whatever that is, thank you. I can't see it, but I appreciate it. Follow, sub, whatever it is, thank you. We're gonna switch back to the webcam. Hopefully this isn't just an atrocious angle. And this is actually the webcam. Okay, there we go. So we're here under my studio desk, which is on the other side of my room. You guys will see this in the music streams, which I'm going to be able to do because we built this new computer. And me make sure it's a good angle. Yeah. Yeah, that's probably a good angle. Okay. So let me just let me get ready. The microphone's on the floor, so I might kick it a bunch, and we got the computer over here. Let me get down here with you guys. Hey everyone. Hey, it's me. It's me. I'm under my desk. So yeah, we got the plug right here. I don't know if you can see it. It might be a little too dark, but we got, where is it? Let me make sure we got the power cable coming around. I want to try and get a good angle for you guys so you can see the moment it turns on, you know? Yeah, and I'm pretty confident. I think it's gonna work the first time, and it'll turn on. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this. You know, if we didn't do it, then I'll just fix it off stream. Just want to do a quick little stream showing you guys building my computer here. So thank you all for watching, and let's see this puppy turn on. Just got it